watching, the coverage of the collapse of the Twin Towers and seeing the face of the devil that was shown, that was formed from the dust. I figured that, if you visit after connecting the Fukushima explosion with the prophecies of Nostradamus and seeing the sign of the whirlpool showing the revelation that great evil had been revealed unto the world and unto the Japanese people, I knew that that there was something that I had missed in the explosion. And so I went to look for it, base by base. This is the coverage by the BBC. After the explosion at 8:54, and this is what comes out. You can see clearly there is a horse. Okay, steady. There's a hind leg of a horse, and there's 4 people on the horse. These are the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse that are prophesied in Revelation. This was a sign that we all missed. But it's all the same language spoken through prophecies, biblical, Mayan, Egyptian, and otherwise. The signs are not written, they're not hidden, they're everywhere, they're in the sky. And they are revealed.